you go.
Yes,
Ready to go,
it's more
sir.
like that.
Yep.
That's right.
I told them, Matt,
Yes,
to
sir.
head to Canary Wharf.
Yeah, just
Canary
go
Wharf,
straight to
but,
that point.
If you want to
Tell them
like,
exactly where? All right, yeah. When we get closer, yeah.
With these 2 engines we have, we can
You think it's going to be quicker?
fast.
We are not very heavy. Yeah,
think
true. It's going to be a bouncy one.
Look at that piece. How fast can you go?
This one does like 25 miles.
Yeah, 25.
25, and that's fast for a boat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not really built for speed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Heading off now to Canary Wharf on this beautiful evening, and crew is ready. We're setting off.
How's it going, man?
All good, man. You?
Wicked, bro. Wicked.
Hot now.
Yes, lovely.
We're not hungry.
Not for now. Thank you. This is a cool angle, to be fair.
It's a great spot to fly from. Should we fly from?
Yeah, I think we should.
Can we hover a little bit?
I think we're going to fly from here
Yeah.
to start with.
Yeah, no.
We didn't realise how nice it was actually going to be on this side.
Yeah.
Because we're going to go on the other side
Right.
after. That's where we wanted to go first,
Yeah.
but while we're here, we may as well, right? Just going to triple check. We're all good here, but I think we are.
No flight restrictions.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, no, we are.
You're good?
Yeah, no, we are in it. It goes straight. Look.
Yeah, the Thames Line has path. If we want to fly a bit,
No, the Isles of Dogs. See, look, it comes
Yeah.
out to where we
so
are.
we don't have.
We know.
permission to
We,
fly
we,
there.
we can't take off directly here.
Okay. We
No.
have to go from. No, we cannot fly into
That's the
it,
point
so-
we've just come from.
I see.
So we can't fly into it. But if we go here, down there to the next pier,
Yep.
we'd be looking at it sideways.
Yeah. That's,
Yeah, you happy with
Yeah,
prefer that? Okay. Oi. Cool, so oh yeah, we're in a restricted zone at this point.
Oh, right.
See that red bit there?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that pier that's just down there,
Greenland.
yeah, I believe that's the one that's next, which is outside of it. So let's try there.
Alright.
We'll have a little look.
Yeah. So what, is there like a no fly zone around Canary Wharf?
Yeah, Isle of Dogs. Yeah, they it's all business, so
Yeah.
it's got to be strict as well. But if you play around it, you can make it work. You just fly on the outside of it. Yeah. So in my mind, I can see like this invisible red
Yeah.
thing around it. You know. When we get there, we'll see how it looks.
Yeah.
If the boys aren't happy,
We'll go around the
we'll
other
carry
side.
on. Yeah.
They won't let you fly above Bridge tonight at all.
They locked off the whole area now. There, all of it. I don't know what's going on down at
Yeah.
Westminster, but they've really done one. So yeah. Yeah, it's still a good spot actually, because you can get some nice parallaxes through the buildings. Yeah. I think it would just be a short flight here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we don't want to miss the sun on the other side. All right, boys, we're here. We're at the point. Yeah, this should be all right. This should be good.
Yeah, good, yeah.
Yeah, because so we're looking at it as if
Right.
that's the garden just there.
Yeah.
So it cuts off there.
Yeah.
So we're like
So we're
what
just
here?
out, yeah.
So they can fly around there. It's perfect.
I like it round here then.
Yeah, nice. That's a lovely day for just chilling around on the river,
I
right?
think the worst thing, I'd rather be sitting in the beer garden.
Yeah, I know. You go past them,
Yeah,
you see
I-
them on the pier. You're like,
Terrible.
I want one.
Where I parked is like, there's a pub there. Things with.
Yeah, it's heaving. It's
Round
fast.
Yeah, I'm not surprised to be honest.
Interesting protest.
So Matt, why
Yo.
are you taking off from further down here? What is
So there is a restriction zone just over there for the Isle of Dogs. So I can give you a visual representation. See that green park there? It kind of finishes off right there and goes past us. So we're now on the opposite side of it. So we've got free reign around here. I mean, look at that view, right? Spot on. It's going to be good. So do you want to see the zone again, just so you know?
Yeah, that'd be great.
So this garden here, Sir John's.
Yep.
That's that.
All right.
So we're like, we're like here.
Perfect. So pretty much, let's not fly over this way.
Yeah.
You can get around it by staying.
Yeah. So kind of like a
maybe like.
diagonal line.
Okay.
Oh, we are. We're completely.
Perfect.
We're there.
So no around here. If anything, more this way.
Yeah.
This way.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay.
Red zone. Red zone. Well, he knows now.
No, you gotta go red zone. And then we are up. Wake up instantaneously.
Oh my god, like they were just hanging out.
It's got a nest nearby. Simply.
Little bitches. Well, the wildlife here is very protected.
Just get above them.
Yes. And then angry seagulls. Man, that one is like real.
Yeah. Just act safe. There's to our right on the pier. There's a couple of police officers just watching.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
They're just there anyway, but they're just there watching.
Fly casual.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll turn the sensors off, otherwise it's going to have a whale of a time. Yeah, nice.
Fly back towards us.
Dave, do you mind just standing this way so I don't chop your legs off? Just going to yank it straight up.
I'm at 120 feet.
Nice.
Slow it down a little bit, John.
Yep.
I'm at 90 meters.
Yep. Okay.
You're in feet.
Higher. Yeah. I'm on. Yeah. I can switch it to metric system, which is actually what I'm used to.
Cool. I'm just heading this way.
Okay, I'm gonna have to stop in like 10 seconds, probably, Dave.
Yep.
No, my legs.
So now I'm coming back toward us.
Okay.
400 feet, 120 meters.
Perfect. I'm 100 feet below you.
Roger that.
Setting up the parallax.
I am indeed.
I'm
So
gonna
you
go a
got
little under.
all the
Very nice.
bank,
So
financial
road
buildings.
I'm gonna go a little under.
Yeah, you're right. Perfect. Let's do this. Good to do it when you're high.
Who's going to catch it?
I can catch it.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah,
I'll come in at cine mode, so nice and slow for you.
At the moment, we just hit the right moment. You have the sensors off?
Yeah, and the downward ones.
Perfect.
Sweet.
Nice.
Thank you. Lovely stuff.
Now we'll go the other side?
Yeah, round we go. Round we go. Yes, please. That felt good to fly that
Nice.
on a boat
Nice.
and catch it like that.
Yeah.
Landing without the automatic.
When you do it like a couple of times,
Yeah,
it's
makes sense.
This is a little more stressful because you just have to rely on somebody. And
Yeah.
like Lucas is good, but like some people freak out because
Of course.
it's a big drone.
Yeah.
But usually with the Matic, I do it by myself. I just like
Normally, yeah. But on a boat, it's a bit different.
It is a little different, yes.
Because if you're looking up and it's wobbling, and you're
If it's
just
wobbling, it throws you off.
yeah, big time.
Are we going around now?
Yeah,
So we're gonna have the sun. Like we're gonna shoot back.
yeah.
Nice.
It looks really nice when it goes down because it peeks through towers,
Yes.
so you just see it.
You got that.
Yeah, yeah. And you got the O2, the building with the tool. Yeah, that's going to look more orange. It's going to look nice.
They're saying that if we head back, they say it'll take 25 minutes from where we're going
Okay.
to get back to Tower Bridge. So they said if we start heading back down there by 8:30, then we'll have time to get there and get set up and
All right. Cool.
catch the bridge opening, and then we'll come back up here for other stuff.
Wicked. Just don't go past it. So keep it down the middle.
So you're gonna
Cross.
drop
Down the middle,
So drop
yeah.
as you go, I think.
Yep.
I can see you, believe it or not.
Okay, really?
Yeah, I can see you. The sunglasses, they help. So you got a seagull kind of saying hello. They are above you. They're diving, and that's about it. There's 3 of them.
Speed.
Yeah, you see that?
Speed.
Just talk.
Yeah, there's four seagulls. Chasing you. Feel free to back out whenever you want.
Any chance we can stop? Thank you.
Oh yeah, good idea. That's a challenge for Lucas. Do you accept?
Up to 6 knots.
He knows.
Good job. Landing gear up.
There's the boat. Got into my shop.
Cheers. Make sure that it's in log, because it's not.
Speeding.
I'm at 40 meters.
I'm at 77.
I'm now at 50.
I'm going back.
Okay, I'm at 50
There's
now.
another drone just above you, right?
Is he doing?
There's some other pilots flying the drone here trying to crash into our drone.
Is he?
Stay high, as high as you can go, and then we'll drop down to the
Double 60s, 120. Nice. Where's that little mini? Still there. He's bang high. Yeah.
What altitude are you at, Matt?
44, and I'm behind you to the bridge. Who wants to catch it?
I didn't catch you.
All right, we're down.
He's right. He's like, this guy's sketchy.
Wow, look at it go.
Oh shit, that thing is flying.
He didn't do anything.
That's the first time I've seen that.